It is a rainy Saturday morning. Time to get the car washed. Ooh. Look at the coffee shop, Campbell. It's Riscate and they're open. Just reminds me, Grandma and Grandpa are coming soon. Don't tell Logan, but it's less than 2 weeks away. We want to surprise her on her birthday. Maybe I should turn these bad boys off. Don't need windshield wipers. That means you can't play this video in front of Logan for 2 weeks, okay, Campbell? Then you can crank it up and watch it right there at the breakfast table. Gotta open that viewing port. Campbell, after this, you want to go to McDonald's?
Yeah.
Ooh, wow. You gonna pick up a breakfast burrito? Hash browns? It said drive forward, now it says drive ahead. Is there really any question as to which direction we should be going? Like at this point, you should really know that like this bright open sky in front of you is just a beacon. Like that is where you should be driving towards. Like, who is the guy that made that sign necessary is what I'm thinking. It's like the first guy just drove through, he gets washed, and instead of going through the dryer, he just slams it in reverse. And I wonder if he was annoyed. I mean, there were no signs telling him what to do, right? Was he annoyed that there was this line of cars backed up behind him? He's like, get out of the way. Can't you see I'm trying to back out of this car wash? I don't know. I have questions.